Welcome to Figma Bites, a video series that aims to teach you how to speed up your Figma workflow. Today we're going to show you how to efficiently get around the canvas with panning and zooming. This knowledge will really come in handy when you're dealing with a large Figma file that has lots of frames. The first way you can start moving around the canvas is zooming. You can zoom in and out in a few different ways. Let's try one out. Hit the plus key and we'll zoom in. One thing I want to point out is this zoom menu in the upper right. It will tell you the current zoom level and has some handy reminders for shortcuts related to zooming. Let's hit the minus key now and we'll zoom back out. With both of those shortcuts, Figma will zoom in and out from the center of the viewport. This isn't always the most effective way to zoom. What I like to do is use the Z key, which lets us click and drag over an area we're interested in. When we let go, it zooms into the area we're drawing a box around. One thing you'll start noticing when you are zooming in and out of a canvas is that you want to start looking around at a specific zoom level, not necessarily zooming in and out until we're dizzy. While you chew on that, we'll go ahead and show you the hand tool. If I click spacebar, I'll switch to the hand tool. We can click and drag around, back and forth, up and down. We can zoom to the level we need and look around efficiently. The last thing we'll taste today is this final set of shortcuts. We're currently at zoom level 100. As we start zooming around, we might want to get back to 100% quickly. The shortcut Shift 0 takes us right back to our default zoom level of 100%. And maybe you want to see everything in the file at once to get a quick view of the buffet. Press the shortcut Shift 1 and you'll zoom to fit. Finally, we see something on the menu that we really want to taste. If we click on the frame and press Shift 2, we'll zoom right into that. We can pan and zoom around the buffet a little more and find other tasty treats to sink our teeth into, using all the various shortcuts we've gone over in this video. That's how you pan and zoom your way around a Figma file. I hope this Figma Bite helps you focus on frames more effectively than before. Thanks for watching.